Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I've been gone for a minute, and I needed to for many reasons, but I'm back and I'm excited to share with you guys a slew of videos. But I will do a little update, chit chat video with you guys, tell you what's been going on with your girl. Got sick, got better, got sick again. Tried to get my life, didn't get my life, it was a mess again. Then I got it back. Did something really amazing and cool, one of the biggest things so far I've done, and then I was like, okay girl, let's get back into this. Y'all, okay, today's video, you guessed it, is all about this hair right here, darling. Lavender bombshell. Okay, I'm in love with this color, guys. I did not know I would like it this much. And who said dark skin girls can't wear lavender? Try me. So if you guys are interested in finding out how I achieved this color, then keep watching. Oh, and if you're new here, hey girl, hey, welcome to the tribe. Don't forget to hit subscribe to actually join the tribe so that y'all know when I upload a video. All right guys, let's get right into this. So this hair is from YWigs.com, and this is their Brazilian body wave platinum blonde wig in 20 inches. And it comes with the band, so you don't have to worry about purchasing one of those. And it comes with some extra clips if you need them. And this is what the inside of the cap looks like. It is a lace front wig, so it does have rows in the back. It's not a full lace wig. And then I've noticed though that the actual frontal section is very short. It's not very deep. So keep that in mind if you are someone that does like to do a really deep middle or side part. So for this look, I used two colors. First up was the L'Oreal Feria in P12, and it's a smoky lavender kind of color. And then Schwarzkopf in a 3.1, which is like a medium cool brown. So first I applied the lavender color all over everything. When I initially started this look, I thought that I wanted to just do a solid lavender all over, but it was like, who am I kidding? I love dimension. I love dimension. So basically I applied the lavender starting in the root mid shaft area and kind of just let it fade out to the ends. And I did that all over. So after I applied the product everywhere, I took my demo brush, combed everything through, made sure that it was nice and evenly distributed. Then I let all that process for 30 minutes. So as I mentioned before, initially I was going to just do a solid lavender color, no darken roots, just a little bit of dimension by having the ends a little bit lighter because I applied the product there kind of last and just let it touch in, you know what I mean? But after I washed it out, this is the color that it was. I loved the color, but I was like, girl, be true to yourself and shadow those roots. So you guys have heard me use that term before, shadowing the roots. So that's exactly what I did. And that is where to use the 3.1 for. So I mixed some of that together and I went in just in the root area all over the unit just to give a little bit of dimension. And I didn't let this one process for long, y'all. I only let this process for about 10 to 15 minutes. I didn't want the roots to look too dark because having a little bit of contrast is already going to play with the lighting and make it look a lot darker than it actually would be, because even for my pictures and in the video, it looks like the roots are almost like a dark deep purple, but they're really not that dark. So it gave me the satisfaction of having that dimension, of having roots that looked a little bit darker without losing that like purple gradient tone. You know what I'm saying? So after she was washed out, honey, and air dried, this is what the color looked like. So then, you know, I did my little customization thing, and I've shown you guys a bunch of times how I like to lay my frontals temporarily. Of course, I love to use the Got2b gel to get the job done. Okay guys, let me know, are you guys feeling the lavender vibes? I'm obsessed with the fact that I like darken the roots just a little bit to give me that dimension. If you guys have been here for a while, then you know all of my color videos, I'm obsessed with dimension. I don't like anything just like flat and solid. I love dimension. Comment below and let me know what color I should do next. That is all for today. Thank you so much for hanging out and kicking it with your girl. Don't forget to hit subscribe to join the tribe, as well as turn on those post notifications so that y'all know when I upload a video. All right guys, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whisper that she don't drink, set the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like what you think, so think what you want. She had me a thing.